Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I am going to tell you about how to off aeroplane mode from your phone setting, guys. How can you off your aeroplane mode from phone setting, guys? Not from here, guys. You can off from your phone setting aeroplane mode. Today I am going to tell you about how to off it. So before starting video, friends, I am going to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys, first of all, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, what will you have to do, guys? Open your setting app, guys, and after that, guys, come on connection and sharing option, and guys, you can see aeroplane, guys, you want to off, so I click here off. So your aeroplane mode will be off, guys. So you can off from here, but sometimes not working. So guys, you can off from your phone setting aeroplane mode. So I think guys, you have understood how to off aeroplane mode in your Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you off it? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.